Hey guys, welcome back. Every year Apple strives to make the ceramic shield tougher, but unfortunately users still report micro scratches on their flagship iPhones. When you invest in such a premium device like iPhone 16 Pro Max, it makes perfect sense to protect your screen with a reliable screen protector. I have been using ESR Screen Protectors on my iPhones and Galaxy devices for a long time, and I have never been disappointed. Here's why ESR stands out to me. First, the quality of screen protectors is outstanding. Second, each package includes extra screen protectors, which is always a bonus. Third, ESR has simplified the installation process even further compared to previous generations. Let me show you how. Inside the box, you will find a link to a tutorial, which you won't need because you are watching this one. You'll also find wet wipes, the screen protector, and it's nice to see ESR has included a protective foam to lay your phone on while you install. Plus, they have included 2 extra screen protectors, which is great. Step 1. Place your phone on the protective foam. Step 2. Use the wet wipes to clean any dust off the screen. Step 3. Wipe the screen clean with dry wipes. Step 4. Use a sticker to pluck off any minute dust particles. I recommend using a flashlight during this step to ensure no tiny particles are left under the screen protector. Step 5. Position the alignment frame over your phone. Step 6. Pull the sticker down. Press the screen protector onto the phone through the gap gently and watch as it magically snaps onto the screen. Step 7. Finally, squeeze any bubbles out towards the edges of the screen protector. And that's it. Quick and clean. Now take a look at the flawless installation. No dust, no bubbles, just perfect protection for your premium device. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.